I'm doing a heater maintenance on this heater here, just checking out safety switches and motors, making sure everything's going to run for the heater season. One of the most important things in here is checking out gas pressures coming into the gas valve, and then gas pressures coming out of the gas valve and supplying to your air conditioner. After that, we have the heat exchanger that we do an inspection on, and that gets all the gases out and comes up the flue and out your house. We also do an inspection on the flue piping as well. After all that, we do a carbon monoxide check throughout the house as well, make sure everything is safe.
Call airsolutions.com.